Alright, so this is the first day of the lesson, and our objective is to use something called the fundamental counting principle, and it's just a way to count how many times something happens or how many different possibilities there are for a given situation. Okay. So imagine that you wake up for school at 7:10 a.m. and you realize you are running late. In a hurry, you look for clothes to wear, and you realize that you only have 2 different pants that are clean, one black, one white, and 4 different shirts that are clean, blue, red, green, and yellow. Assuming that you wear a shirt and a pair of pants, just which I'd hope, how many different outfits can you choose from? So what we have is we have 2 different colors of pants. And I will do my best to draw pants. I would not buy those pants. I would not buy those pants either. Okay. But one is black. And one is white. Look more like shorts. And they're not even, whoever made those didn't do a very good job. So you have a choice of black or white pants. And then you have 4 shirts. Oh boy. Anyone want to draw me 4 shirts? I'm terrible at drawing. Anyone? No? Maybe like this. That's not too terrible. Please, if you know how to draw a better shirt, you don't copy offline. Another shirt. Woo! I'm going to start taking a drawing class just so I can teach this class. Oh, that's a different kind of sleeve there. And then looking more like a Christmas tree. Alright, or a mushroom. Okay, so you get. So different color shirts are blue, blue shirt. Then you have a red shirt. I don't have red, but I'll use the closest color I got. Then you have a green shirt. And a yellow shirt. So without me even teaching you this, you should be able to figure out the situation. Does anyone know the answer? How many different combinations are there? 8. Yeah. You're either going to wear black or white pants, one or the other. So you could use black pants and a blue shirt. You could do black pants and a red shirt. You could do black pants and a green shirt and black pants and a yellow shirt, if you choose black pants. So that's 4 combinations. And then what if you pick the white pants? Well, you could pair that blue shirt or the red shirt or the green shirt or the yellow shirt. So I would say, how many different outfits can you choose from? You would have 8 total outfits. And this is assuming that you don't care if that things match because you're waking up late and you just need to put some clothes on to get to school. All right? All right, so there's 8 outfits. Next. A restaurant offers 5 appetizers and 3 main courses. Do we know what appetizer is? Do we? It's like the dessert before your meal. That's how I like to think of it. Like cheese sticks. I don't know. It doesn't say which ones. Or like mozzarella sticks maybe. Mozzarella. Is that 2 L's? Yeah. Anyone else have any favorites? Any other favorite appetizers out there? None? Wings? Anything else you guys like to eat? What about these are good, the fried pickles? You ever have those? Maybe some spinach dip. You guys are no fun. This is a good chance to talk about food. And any others? In a restaurant, it could be chips and salsa, it could be rice, could be... Yeah, I've seen egg rolls as appetizers, yeah. Egg roll. And then some 3 main course meals. Well, I like, we'll just put the main course. We won't put the 3 course. The 3 main course meals, that means that, like, you can't really pick. Okay, so like chicken fried steak. I like that. Anyone else have anything they like to order from a restaurant? Cheeseburger? And the 3 main course might be like cheeseburger, fries, and applesauce, or who knows what. Any others? What else do I get? Maybe we'll put some chicken tenders there. There we go. We'll call this the chicken fried steak meal, the cheeseburger meal, and the chicken tender meal. So does anyone know how many options there are? If this is all the restaurant has, how many? Yeah, 15. You would start with mozzarella sticks and say chicken fried steak. Or maybe you pick mozzarella sticks and then a cheeseburger, mozzarella sticks, and a chicken tender. Could be your option. Or maybe you pick the wings with chicken fried steak. Or maybe you do wings, then a cheeseburger. Maybe you do wings and a chicken tender. Each of these is going to have 3 options to go with the 5, right? Maybe you do fried pickles and then chicken fried steak, fried pickles and then cheeseburgers, fried pickles and then chicken tenders. Or maybe you like to start with spinach artichoke dip. And then 3 options. Or maybe you decided to go with the egg roll. than the 3 options. Too many lines, but basically we have 5 options going to 3 options. And that is 15 options. So there are 15 possibilities. There, I don't know why I put in there, are 15 possibilities. So this is what the fundamental counting principle says. To find the total number of outcomes of multiple events, assuming those events with one or the other, you can find this by just multiplying the number of outcomes for each individual event together. So you could just take 5 times 3 and you get 15. Way faster. Does that make sense? So if you own 12 pairs of pants, 20 different shirts, and 6 pairs of shoes, that'd be a lot of lines, because first you draw pants to all the shirts, then all the shirts to the socks. Counting principle says just take 12 times 20 times 6. Take your 12 pairs of pants times your 20 different t-shirts times your 6 pairs of shoes. Multiply that and you get 1,440. That would be 1,440 lines that you would have to draw. That would take way too long, right? So there would be 1,440 three-piece outfits. Any questions so far? So had I a chart, I would be drawing 1,440 lines. I'm glad I didn't try. Okay. Are you done? Okay, Justin is making up a 6-digit password for his computer. Each digit must be a letter of the alphabet. And in case you didn't know, there are 26 different letters in the alphabet. So how many different combinations are possible? Six-digit password. So you'd have something here, something here, something here, something here, something here. And each letter of the alphabet. So this might be an A, B, C, D, E. This might be an A, B, C, D, E, and so on. That might be an A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and so on, right? So how many combinations can go? How many letters of the alphabet are there? 26. So you could choose 26 different letters to go in that first spot. What about the next spot? How many different letters could go there? Can you choose the same letter twice? Yeah, that's okay. And then this one would be 26, 26, and 26. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another digit. I almost messed up. 6 digits, right? So we just learned fundamental accounting principle says to take 26 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26 times 26. Which, by the way, there's a nice little tool in math to make that easier. That's 26 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But feel free to type in 26 times 26 times 26 6 times, or just do 26 to the 6th. And you get 308,915,776 different passwords. And then some websites differentiate between the lowercase and the capital, which would then change this to 52 times 52 times 52. And then you add in numbers, right? The numbers 0 through 9. And then you add in the special characters, like the exclamation point or at symbol or whatever they let you use. There are lots of combinations, right? Over 308 million combinations. And yet, people still break into people's accounts. Why is that? 308 million combinations? No. It's because people are not smart and they make their password things like password, or their first name, or the name of their first kid, or their first kid's birthday. Things that are easy to guess. Okay? Do we know what stock is? Stock? Jada, do you know what stock is? Huh? Well, stock would be kind of like you have an Apple computer, right? If you believe in Apple, you could buy shares and be part owner of Apple. Does that make sense? So, is a share of Apple stock.
Apple is trading at cents per share after hours, down 25% from closing.
Share of Apple stock. How many shares of Apple stock are there?
According to Quorum, there are 5,240,000 shares outstanding.
Billion shares available, and you could buy them for $200. So if you wanted to Apple, you just need to buy a billion of them. And just a way to take ownership in this. Maybe tomorrow your shares where Apple goes bankrupt and you lose dollars. But anyway, stocks can go up, down, or they could just stay relatively the same. Okay. How many different possibilities are there if you own 5 stocks? Maybe you own Apple, maybe you own some Walmart, maybe you own some Amazon, Adidas, Nike. You could pick whatever you want and buy shares if they're available. So how many possibilities are there right here? They can either go up, go down, or stay unchanged. That's 3 possibilities. And I have 5 stocks. I have stock number 1. I have stock number 2. Maybe it's Walmart. I have stock number 3 without a C. And I have stock number 4. And stock number 5. Maybe I have Facebook stock, I don't know. So, there could be up, 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 up. They all go up tomorrow. Could be up, 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 down. Up, up, down, up, up. Down, 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 down. Right? Stay the same, go. goes down, stays the same, goes up. So how many possibilities are there? Well, this one can either go up, go down, or stay unchanged. Same for this, same for this, same for this, same for this, right? So that would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Type it in your calculator. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type that in the calculator and you get 243 possibilities. I should start using the word combinations. That's usually the word we use, but we'll talk more about that later, okay? You guys believe that if you list them all out, there'd be around 243, or exactly 243? It's going to go up, 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 down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 stays the same. You can do it 243 times. All right, the next one. A restaurant offers 7 appetizers, 8 meals, 4 desserts. How many ways can a customer order a 3-course meal? We did one just like this. You just multiply those 3 together, and you get 224 3-course meals. I don't see any purpose in going into detail on that one. We just did one just like that, right? You have appetizers, you have your main course, you have your desserts. There's 224 3-course meals. Ian is taking a multiple choice history test. Each multiple choice question has 5 possible answers. Okay? So it could be A, could be B, could be C, could be D, could be E. If there are 30 multiple choice questions on the test, how many different ways can Ian answer all of the questions on the test? Well, you have how many questions? Dot, dot, dot. I'm not going to list all the way to 30. Right? That's what that dot, dot, dot means. Like, and skip a few. So how many options are there for question number 1?